Happy Thursday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. I thought we'd start off with a little happy thought here before we talk about the cold that's coming this weekend. So we'll start with this stat. So far this year, our warmest day was New Year's Day at 55 degrees. It has been our only day at or above 50 degrees so far for 2022. We'll take a look at the temperature trend over the next 7, and there's two things I think your eyes will be drawn to. Those lower 20s that you see for the end of the weekend into early next week, but also that warm up that's coming as we head into next week. A good shot at seeing a couple days with temperatures around that 50-degree mark. Now, as we go through the next 24 hours, we will warm up, not quite to the 50s, but this storm system pulls in warmer air compared to today. We'll keep a lot of these clouds around into our Friday, and as this approaches, well, we're looking at an uptick in winds. I do expect a brisk southerly wind in place throughout your Friday, but that's going to pull in warmer air from the south until this cold front slides through. Our winds change Friday night into Saturday, and we'll go back to that colder weather that will build in for the weekend. So walking through how this is going to impact you here through the evening and early part of tonight, there could still be a stray flurry, especially northern snow belt. Temps drop toward the 20s for overnight lows, which is where we start off early in the day on your Friday. Now, as I showed you, that southerly wind setting up, that's going to quickly warm us up as we pull in that warmer air, but as that storm system approaches, we'll still have that chance for a few snowflakes mixing with some of the raindrops as this gets going here through the morning. So I wouldn't be surprised to start off as a mix, but it wouldn't last long. With temps continuing to climb, we go over to all rain, and our Friday afternoon does look a little soggy here, with showers likely continuing into the evening. And we could also see a little ponding on the roadways, especially with the snow that's out there that's going to have to melt too. So watching our road conditions for a little bit of puddles out there as we go through the afternoon and evening especially. Now this rain wraps up into the late evening, but overnight we start seeing that colder air building in. So what that'll do, well, it comes with the chance for some snowflakes by Saturday morning. We'll have to keep an eye out for some black ice developing after all the wet weather, and temperatures on Saturday, instead of warming through the day, they will be dropping. As you see here, we stop at 11 o'clock here in the morning, already falling to the mid to lower 20s and likely to dip toward the teens as we come up on your Saturday afternoon. So much colder for the weekend here compared to what we've been dealing with so far this week. Rain, ponding, and wind up on that hassle factors list as we see winds picking up overnight. Scattered clouds, a flurry early, 24 the low. Now while we start things off in the 20s early, we will see a quick jump in temperatures with that southerly wind, but late morning as that precipitation with that storm system arrives, still cold enough that we could mix with a little snow early on before going to all rain and highs in the 40s. That high of 40 degrees, well, it'll take us a little while to get back to that as we come to the weekend. Falling temps Saturday with a chance for some snow, a coating of snow possible in there too. We'll watch for that, and also a little black ice after all the wet weather Friday evening. Sunday, well, starting off in the single digits before warming to about 20 degrees for the high and low 20s on Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is looking a little cold as we start the week, but we also have a little sun to look forward to. Now through next week, the temperature trend will be for a warm up here. By the middle of the week, Wednesday looks like a breezy day as we see temps flirting with 50 degrees. And if we don't touch 50 on Wednesday, I do expect our temperatures reaching that next Thursday, looking at low to near mid 50s as we look for more rain showers moving into the valley.